How to find your search history on Instagram. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily find your search history on Instagram. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram account and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to head over to your profile section by tapping on the top bottom right corner. Once you get here, you just want to tap on the hamburger menu and you can just scroll down a bit, and on top you'll see the account center. So you'll just have to head over there. And then finally, you'll have something called your information and permissions. So just tap on that, and then finally you have an option for search history. So just tap on search history and then tap on the account that you want to check the search history of. I'm just going to choose my Instagram. And here you will see all of your search history. So if you want to delete it, you can press on this cross button to delete the search history. And once that is done, you can see search history for your other accounts as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.